Hey guys, this is a quick update video for my Zhong YI Optics Speedmaster 85mm f1.2. This lens is going to be in the AI mount, which is the Nikon mount. I made a video about a month ago. I purchased one of these almost 5 years ago, and they have a 5-year warranty. And I had some balsam separation. Also, my focus ring was very loose on it. I sent it off to them, and they let me know that it was unrepairable. However, they did send me a brand new lens. So, same thing as the one I had before. It's the f1.2 version. I was one of the early adopters when I bought this. Serial number on this one is 3708. My original was number 000023. But I'm very happy and satisfied with their service. It took about a month, but that's understandable. There's a beautiful rear element right there. Haven't had a chance to use this one yet. Used my old one a whole bunch before it died out on me. It appears to be identical. If you ever get one of these guys, make sure you hang on to this. It comes in the box. This is your warranty card. This tells you that this lens is from March 2020. That would be March 7th, 2020 is the day it left their factory line. It is a 85mm f1.2. This is a warranty card. Lens is protected for 5 years. My last one made it 4 years, 11 months before it decided to fall apart on me. So I can't really speak to the longevity of the lens, but I can tell you the photo quality is amazing. I have compared it to the Canon FD f85mm f1.2 L series. And this one is a little bit sharper, but it does suffer from a little bit more color fringing and chromatic aberration. But I'm not comparing lenses in this video. I'm only going over my warranty process and how I was taken care of. Very satisfied. At first, it kind of felt like I was getting the runaround, but just some miscommunication. I finally spoke to the right person who gave me the information on where to send my lens so they can send me a new one if they couldn't repair it. And they did. So I'm very satisfied with the service I received from them. One of the biggest notices is that this came in a cardboard box. I'm guessing that this is their new packaging. I had the original that came in the leather case with the leather clasp. I kind of wish I would have kept that. I sent it back in that for protection, and now I no longer have it. But the truth of the matter is I never used it. It stayed on a shelf with the warranty information, just like this cardboard box will. And the lens itself lived inside of my camera bag, so no big deal there. The lens I sent back also had a UV filter on the front, 77mm, just to protect the threads. I did not get that back, but I'm not worried. It was kind of a junk one that I sent, kind of figuring I wouldn't get it back. I just wanted to protect the lens just in case they would be able to repair it. So ordered a brand new one for this. Also ordered a metal screw-on hood. I had the original plastic hood for it. Never cared for the fit. It felt like it wanted to break every time I put it on. So that got thrown away a long time ago. I don't know if that issue got addressed with the newer lenses or not, but I heard a couple of reviews and I seen a couple of reviews of guys that had similar issues to myself with that. So I got rid of that, and I have a screw-on for the 77mm threads, and it works perfectly fine. I also like shooting this with an adapter. This is for the Nikon mount, but I do put it on my Sony And I've used it with the Lens Turbo 2 from Zhong YI, which is a Midicon focal reducer. It produces really nice images, so I'm extremely satisfied with this lens, and I'm very happy with the customer service. Again, I can't speak to the longevity of it. I don't know if I just had a bad copy or if this will do the same, but I have another 5-year warranty to figure it out. Thank you guys for watching. This is my review on Zhong YI Optics Midicon Speedmaster 85mm f1.2 warranty service and warranty replacement. Took a little over a month, like I said, to get this one out, but we are going through the coronavirus right now, so that will slow things down. It did have to go to China, and this one did come from China, so I'm sure that slowed things down as well. I did have to pay to send the original out there. I want to say it was like $70 through the post office to get it insured and sent out there. I did have to pay that portion. They paid to ship this one back. Besides that, though, I gave it a 5-star warranty review. I'm not upset that I had to pay to ship my old one out there, and I'm very glad they took care of me. This lens looks beautiful, and doesn't have any of the problems my old lens had. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you found this review helpful on their warranty service, please give me a like or a thumbs up, and have a great day. Ciao.